When the king speaks, thrones collapse, darkness trembles, kingdoms will fall. Yahweh, Yahweh Sabaoth, the Lord of heaven's armies. Judgment rising, lightning moving through the skies. Every power built in darkness scatters when the Holy One arrives. Walls are breaking in His presence, ancient chains are torn apart. No dominion stands forever before the fire of our God. Fire falling, strongholds breaking, the King of glory marches in. Kingdoms will fall when Jehovah takes His place. Mountains will shake at the thunder of His name. Fall, fall. Every evil kingdom fall. Rise, rise. Let the kingdom of God arise. Jehovah Odogu, Odigi onye dikagi, Odigi onye dikagi, Odigi onye dikagi. Speaking evil, every giant standing proud shall be broken into ashes.